Hello gamers and tech lovers, welcome back to my channel where we unbox the gadgets. Today I have got something for all my budget gamers. The Ant Esports KM550 Pro wireless rainbow gaming combo of keyboard and mouse. So let's see if this affordable gaming gear combo really delivers or just glow for show. The box of the Ant Esports KM550 Pro. The packaging is clean, nice with bold branding, and the combo image writes on the front. On the back you will find out all the key specs with features and all. These two mouse and keyboard is of 2.4G wireless mode. It has some multicolor LEDs, low latency response, and has a high DPI gaming mouse, and some specifications and features are provided on the back. You can check it out. Yeah, that's it. So let's unbox. So we have opened the box and you can see, guys, we'll find here's our full size wireless keyboard, yeah, and the mouse itself. As we opened it, we first greeted with the wireless gaming keyboard, which feels very solid and has a nice matte finish. The design is sleek and modern, and yes, it's a full size number pad. So next up we have this wireless gaming mouse, optical, and it's ergonomically shaped, very lightweight, and has nice grip texture. Yeah, so you will also notice the forward backward buttons on the side, great for gamers. We also got this USB dongle that connects both keyboard and mouse, so only one port needed. And there also a user manual you can see here, and some warranty card. And we have got two charging cable, one for mouse and one for keyboard. The keyboard feels very solid and the full size layout, matte black finish, and it has a soft keycaps. We can see it has a high volume keys. It's perfect for gamers. Has RGB lights. As you can see our keyboard, it feels very solid. Got the rainbow backlighting for the classic gamer vibe. It has a 2.4G wireless mode with palm rest, multicolor LEDs, and it is metal alloy frame here, but the full body is of plastic only. And it has also provided an anti-ghosting keys, which has low latency response, universal PC compatibility, and it has the caps and number lock case, built in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, and it has a 1.5 black type C PVC charging cable. And you can see the build quality, but the quality is okay because it is flexible, as you can see, and the whole body is of plastic, not any of metal. On the back here are two adjustable stands for supporting. And our mouse, it is same as like 2.4G wireless mode, and the same USB nano receiver with keyboard. And you can see it is a branding of Ant Esports with lightning. It has also RGB lights. It is low latency response, adjustable DPI button settings, and super bright LED lights. And you can see it has a LED backlight scroll wheel, rubberized, so no slip finish. So now let's connect it and test this keyboard and mouse. So let's now connect it. Just plug in the USB receiver and into your laptop or PC, and within seconds this both keyboard and mouse are ready to go. No software needed. Now I will type something here. Typing on this keyboard feels nice. The keys are very tactile and slightly clicky, but not too loud, and it is very responsive also, perfect for both gaming and casual typing. The mouse has adjustable DPI up to 2400 DPI, which you can change using the top button. It has a great responsive and smooth cursor moving, and the rainbow backlighting on the keyboard looks amazing, especially in the dark. It's not RGB customizable, but it's static rainbow still adds a great aesthetic for gamers. So after testing it out for a while, here's what I liked and what could be improved is it has one USB dongle for both keyboard and mouse, super convenient, and also it has a wireless connection, is stable, so no noticeable lag during gaming and all, so it is perfect guys. And it has a rainbow backlight keyboard, looks really cool, comfortable mouse and grips, and the mouse are rubberized, so no other mouse pad is needed, and comfortable mouse grip and click response, plug and play, no drivers needed. But something is the keyboard is not mechanical, it's membrane based, but good for casual gamers. No RGB customization, we have got this rainbow lights that is static, but for a budget friendly price under 2000, this A-Entry Sports KM550 Pro offers a solid wireless experience. If you like this video, so don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you can never miss any updates, and comment below what you want us to review next. Okay, so thanks for watching.